Feeling better?
Yeah. Seems like it worked.
Bad news? All we've done is buy you some time. The suppressant's effects will wear off all too soon. You ready to go?
Don't worry about me. Ashley is the priority.
In that case, we know what we have to do. Then come, Sancho Panza! Let us rescue the Princess Dulcinea!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Hey, that was my lance. Okay, we hurry, I get it.
Why help me, though? What's in it for you?
No need to be suspicious. Should have helped you, didn't I?
Welcome. I got something new for you. Thank you. Crossing your T's, dotting your I's. We're starting to get an idea of your tastes. We'll come back anytime.
It's a little hard for me to put my faith in someone who used to work for Umbrella.
So you heard, huh? Umbrella's done for. You don't need to worry about them anymore.
You didn't answer my question. What are you after?
I just want to feel good about myself. Make amends. Or something like that. Looks like we've got company. What do you want to do? With chainsaws are no joke!
Believe me, I know! Present for you. You're serious. Bet I could use this.
Dynamite, huh? Nice find, my friend.
Yeah, should make quick work of that dead end.
Give me a heads up next time.
You handle yourself pretty well. You sure you're just a researcher?
I'm just an average guy who happens to be quite the ladies' man. After you, I insist.
Such a gentleman.
Now you owe me.
Luis, heads up!
Now we're even. Is it always like this with you? One for each of us. Leave this one for me.
This other one's not gonna be easy. Shit, can't get through the armor.
Sorry. Keep my friend busy for me.
Where do you think you're going?
Leon! Over here! Delivery! Got a little present just for you. Leon, shoot it! Beautiful! Just as planned. All right, let's finish this guy off. I think we can get through here.
How's it look?
There. So... That was it.
Keeping those things cooped up down here, too?
The underground here is sacred to them. See, this is where they discovered Las Plagas. Preserved inside ancient deposits of amber.
Of course they did. You're not suggesting we ride this thing?
Do you see any other way? Give us a push, Sancho.
Who are you calling Sancho?
There, it's moving. This should speed things up a bit.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Hey, we're in a hurry, right? Oh, by the way,
What now?
hope you like thrill rides. We're going off the rails! Lean! Mierda! Do something about those parts! Oh yeah! Big strikes! If we don't, we're gonna crash! We're going off the rails! Give me a hand! It's them! Watch out! Up ahead! Shoot the boards! We shake them off? Left turn! We're curving to the right!
This it?
Afraid not. Things are just getting started. All right, let's go.
Not this again.
Hey,
Please.
Can I get a hand? Give us a 3-2-1 next time, eh, Sancho?
Whatever.
Oh, man. But actually, this works. I knew it! Stay sharp! These guys have camouflage.
How about you open fire instead of your mouth?
I have something I think you like. Welcome. I got something new for you. A deal well struck. I'm back. Welcome. Thank you. Will that be all then? That's good work, if I do say so myself. Okay, don't get yourself killed now.
Phew. I'm beat. Makes you appreciate tech like this.
I don't get you. Why risk your life like this? You don't know us.
I told you. It makes me feel better.
Be straight with me for once.
Los Iluminados. I was working for them.
See, there you go.
Helping the two of you doesn't make up for it. I know that. But still, I don't want anyone else to get hurt.
In that case, you better get serious.
Harsh words for a squire. We're out of that hellhole. The fresh air is calling our names. Por fin. like us, if we made it all this way, you know it means we're almost...
Almost what?
Luis!
Long time no see, rookie.
Major Krauser? What the hell? Why?
Recovering stolen goods. And killing a few rats along the way. Easy work.
Ashley. It was you.
You catch on quick. Didn't I teach you? Knives are faster. Not good. We are just getting started, rookie.
Are you being controlled by that cult?
This has nothing to do with them. I'm a free man who made a choice.
Major! You're not thinking straight!
My mind's clearer than it's ever been. Now focus and show me what you got. Without honor, without mercy, only devastating power. What's wrong with wanting the same for myself?
Krauser! Shit. You don't leave me with much choice.
Enough chit-chat, rookie. Enough play, rookie. You haven't changed a damn bit. What a disappointment.
Not looking good, eh, my friend? And such a loss to the ladies of the world.
Don't talk.
Take this. The key to my laboratory. Go there and remove those damn parasites. Help Ashley. You know, I led a pretty shitty life. But now, eh? What do you think, Leon? People can change, right?